So hello guys, this is me, Provertikins. Note I'm using a voice changer because I don't want to edit text on my video. So I get bored while I put text on my video. That's why I'm using a voice changer. And today I'm going to play and welcome. I forgot to welcome you. Welcome, it's my channel only. I'm Provertikins. This is me only. Don't see that emote. And I am level 35 in Bedwars, so I have Umbra kit. So today I am going to use the Umbra kit in Roblox Bedwars. And another thing, in the last video, a couple months ago, I kept a video named Bedwars Time, and there was a guy who commented and he wants to get in my clan. Yes, note that it's owned from another one, but I only own it. Like we both own it, so keep in mind. Yes, so he wants to go in by the name of I think Kid Gamerly. So if you are seeing this video, see your invites of your clan, and you might be inside the clan, and you are already in the clan. Oh, wait. I can't see you in the clan, but still I'm going to. Okay, some problem, but I'll invite you in the clan. Okay, so let's play a match. We'll play duels. Okay, and I think people will say that I am using an auto clicker, but I ain't using an auto clicker. Okay, please note that I don't use auto clicker. Okay. So now we are inside the game. Who are okay? Hannah and Whisper. I am going to die. I am alone. Where is my teammate? No name reveal, okay? Keep in mind, I am going to turn off this and turn on streamer mode. Because if you see my name, you will always, you can always send friend request if I actually reveal my Roblox name. So, I think I already showed my name in the last video, but still I don't care. And note that my game can be laggy. I don't know, my PC is kind of dying. Yes, keyword die. Okay, why was I quiet? I don't know. Please, I always play patiently, so you can't. So half of the time you can see me quiet, like my mouth is shut, but still, I, my shift doesn't work that much. Okay, so this cap, if I throw it on, oh man, so sorry. Can I throw the cap on you? And now, oopsie, the cap is on you. Oopsie, bye bye. Bro, aggressively playing. I think that I will lose in this match. Bro, my mouse. What the hell is happening with my mouse, man? My mouse, I need to buy a brand new mouse. It's kind of clicking a lot. It looks like a hi, bye. That was kind of easy. it first. Throw. No. Run. 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 Home. Button work. Holy. Okay, now they are going to do what's on me. I hope not. Please. Please don't do it. I will cry. Hi, how are you doing? Hi, 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 hi. Why are you in? Why are you in? Easy. Hi, boy. Okay. I accidentally threw it. Some problems in my brain. Okay, bye. Okay, I missed that. And what the? Hannah, Hannah, please break my bed. Don't break it, please. My brain. Okay, another myth. Why I needed a teammate from. Okay, I am showing my name. Very bad for health. You know, showing your name as a YouTuber. Very bad for health. You can get diabetes from that. What? Sorry, I don't know. My brain is kind of filled with memes now. And can I get a teammate? Finally. No. Wow. A free win. Thanks for the free win. Teammate getting happy. Happy, happy, happy. Ding, 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 ding. Bro, memes alert. Go run, teammate. I'll come behind you. Go, run, 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 run. I said run, run. I respected him. Hello, me. Okay. Hey, run, bro. What the hell my man doing? Throw a squash egg on this man. I'll come. Hi. It's me, Mario. I'm about to break the bed. I don't even have enough blocks. Yes. Give me some blocks. Ooh. More. Bro. Keyboard. Very bad one. Okay, listen. Okay, I need my teammate. I don't have blocks. Teammate. Bro. Ooh. The aim, bro, the aim. Let me run for my life until my teammate goes behind me and watches me from the head. Almost died. Okay. Kinda. Easy bird, easy bird, easy bird. Easy. I don't know why my player level is still. My XP is 20,999. Sometimes it becomes 21,000. Sometimes it is 20,999. Some sussy noises from my mouth. I need some competitive game mode. Okay, if this video gets 20 likes, I'll play the most competitive game mode in this in this game, Skull Drop. And I hope Skull Drop will be there. Boom. And I saw the last video. You guys smashed that like button. I saw there were only 4 likes still. But yeah, okay. There were 4 likes on that video, the last video, Bedwars time. But the views were almost 100. We only need 2 views to reach 100. So thank you guys. That's and finally competitive players. Yes, ameo and Uzi. Umbra and Uzi are kind of broken. Evelyn. What the hell was that? Again, let's also banana on that guy, bro. I'm a thank bro. Come. Are easy. Acha. Okay. Yes, I learn English. Hindi. I know some words from Hindi, okay? Don't mind it. Okay. I'm going to spam click. Okay, he fell down. Hi. Easy. That is called skill that your mom didn't give you with spaghetti this weekend. So now that cat is going to be angry. Please help me.